Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and be doing a Christmas press-on set because I know you guys absolutely love when I do press-ons. So up first we're going to go ahead and start by using this Model 1's 100 x 180 grit buffer. These buffers work great. I use the soft side, the 100 side, and we basically are going to go ahead and do is remove the shine from the nail. These buffers work extremely great. Next I'm going to use some alcohol and free wipe, and we're just going to go ahead and cleanse the nail, remove any dust so it doesn't interfere with our base coat or gel polish. So I'm going to go ahead and be using this pine base coat. It works extremely good. It's very thin and it's really easy to apply. Next, here you guys are able to see that I went ahead and buffed all of my nails. And now for a demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and be using these ugly buffers that do not work great for press-ons. So you guys are able to see the difference when you guys use these and the other ones. So here's the one that I used, my Model 1's buffer, the 100 side. It's very smooth. You guys can see there's no ridges, there's nothing, there's no bumps. And then here's the one, me using that ugly buffer. Those buffers work great for acrylic, polygel, any of that, but not for press-ons. I do not recommend that. Use them on press-ons. Just look at this nail, it looks really rough. You can see the little ridges there. It's just horrible. You're gonna have a very messy application. You're gonna have bumps and it's just not gonna look nice. So like you guys can see, here's the difference. I definitely recommend you use the sponge ones. And then I'm just going to go ahead and basically now start applying my base coat to the rest of the nails. Okay, so once the base gel has cured, we're going to go ahead and start by applying our colors. These two colors are the ones that I may go ahead and be using. And so up first, I'm going to go ahead and remove the one that I'm going to be doing a different color. These are all going to be the same color, so I went ahead and put these on the same stand. And basically we're just going to go ahead and just polish these very nicely. I only had to apply one coat just because these gel polishes are very pigmented, but if your gel polishes are not as pigmented, then definitely add a second coat. Right after we finish adding the gel polish, we're going to go ahead and let that sit for a minute just for the gel polish to level out and just spread around evenly and all of that good stuff. Then we're ready to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so then this is the nail that basically just set aside. So I'm going to go ahead and apply one coat of this just because it is going to be a marble nail. And it's when I went ahead and used the white as my base color. And so now here are the rest of the nails. This one I'm going to go ahead and top coat it just because we're basically done with that one. I'm not going to do a design. Okay, so next I'm going to also be applying top coat to this nail. The gel polish does leave a tacky layer. And since I want to do a design with glitter, the glitter might stick onto that tacky layer. So that is why I top coat this nail. I'm going to go ahead and top coat this whole nail. Then we're going to grab some glitter and we're just going to go ahead and basically sprinkle the glitter on there. Once we have the nail fully coated, using my finger, I'm going to go ahead and press the glitter down to make sure it's secure. Then we're going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Using my brush, I'm going to go ahead and remove the excess glitter, and then this is basically what we have and we're done. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply a couple of dots of gel polish. We're not going to be using a whole this time for marble. This is a different way to do marble. There's tons of ways to do marble. But basically I'm using the gel polish to create the marble effect. The excess gel polish, I'm not wiping it away. I'm actually using that to my advantage to basically mess around with the gel polish and mix them kind of together. It creates a beautiful effect and definitely takes up less time than using alcohol. And then once we're done with that, we went ahead and cure that, and then we are going ahead and top coat that. Next, we're going to go ahead and be doing our French nail, the one I had a top coat. And so basically, I'm going to go ahead and be drawing the French tip. This took me quite a long while, honestly. I haven't done a French tips nails, like press-on nails, for quite a while. So for me to do this, it took me quite a long time to try to perfect it. It looked good, and then it didn't look good, so then I just kept redrawing. And yeah, it was basically kind of hard for me at first, but then I definitely ended up getting my result at the end. But basically, once you're done with your French tip, you're not going to cure. You're just going to go ahead and leave it as is. And we're going to go ahead and be using the glitter to basically do a sugar nail, but kind of not. We're just going to be doing a sugar French tip. And so here you guys can see that I went ahead and added the glitter, then we went ahead and removed the excess, and then this is basically what we have. It looks amazing. 100% am very happy with how this came out. Then I forgot to top coat the pinky just because I was debating whether I wanted to add rhinestones or not, but then at the end I was like, no, I think that's not gonna look too good on this set because this set doesn't really look too much like a flashy type of set. It looks like a very elegant and very nice set. So this is basically what we have. I went ahead and removed them off the nail stand. Okay everybody, that is it for today's video. Here basically wanted to go ahead and show you guys the placement of the nails, but I accidentally messed up the sugar nail and the marble nail. Those placements are wrong, so next I'm going to go ahead and show you how they're actually supposed to look on. So here I went ahead and used some poster tack to basically put the nails on, and this is the outcome. Hopefully you guys love this video and you guys found it entertaining. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.